What's up YouTube? Today we're back with another video on how to create thumbnails. I'm very excited to make this video. I've been wanting to make this video for a long time. Y'all been asking me, how do I make my thumbnails? I'm going to give you the quick, easy way to do so, and it's going to be free. So let's get into it. I will be using Canva. I love Canva. I've been using Canva since in college. It's always been the easiest way to edit anything you would like for the free. Now, Canva does have Canva Pro, but for today, we don't need Canva Pro. I like to search up YouTube thumbnails on here. See, I've already done that. So boom. And these are the YouTube thumbnails I've already created. But we're gonna create something new. Let's get started. I'm going to recreate this YouTube thumbnail that I did that got a lot of attraction, but I'm gonna put my own spin to it. We're gonna first start off with a clean slate. I already got our thumbnail measurements in. You want to make sure that your thumbnails are the right size. Okay, so I've already uploaded my pictures that I want to see on there. We're gonna start with this one, and these are just pictures that I know that is going to catch my audience eyes because it looks so good. So scenery pictures are key, especially for, you know, if you're doing something where it's like an experience. In this case, this is a travel vlog. So you want your audience to feel like they're there with you. A rule of thumb, try to get 3 to 4 pictures in there so you can really capture the experience. So we're gonna go done to that. And then I want another scenery picture in there. So cute already. Okay, don't worry about the size just yet. Okay, now I'm gonna do a picture of me. Then we're gonna do one of these right here. Pretty cool. So we can shrink this, but I kind of want to see the arch, so we're gonna like slim it that way. And then I want to see more. We're gonna have to slim this arch down. Slim it. Okay. Okay, so now that we got the foundation on, it's pretty much up from here. So you want to go and find that picture because now we're gonna put some glow into it. Now that you have the pic that you want, if you have a Apple device, then an Apple iPhone or iPad, you need to go to the camera roll. Now once you go to the camera roll, you're gonna hold down the thing that you want to outline, because now we're gonna outline your body, whatever you would like to outline, and just kind of make it glow into the pic. This is how you do it. So once you go there, you're gonna hold down the thing you want. You're going to click share, and then you're gonna save that image. Once you save that image, it's already done. The hard work is done. Now, if you have an Android, you need to download an app that will do this for you. And I'll tell you what apps that will do that for you. But this was the easiest way for me right now. So now we're gonna upload library, period. Now that you have your 2 pics side by side and you realize that, okay, I kind of want to make this a warmer thing, you need to go to adjust. So it's right by effects, go to adjust, and then after you go to adjust, this is everything you can do to your cutout pic. So right now for me, I'm gonna turn up that brightness. Okay, probably not that much. I just wanted to match it, okay, and then I want it warmer. I'm feeling the warm. Let's see what tint do. Heck no to tint. I'm not tinting it. Maybe if I tinted a millisecond. Okay. Period. And then we're gonna do contrast. I don't know how to do contrast. We ain't gonna do contrast. Now we can highlight it out. The highlights are cool though. We don't really need highlights. Shadows. Now that you have the color of the outline together. Now we're gonna make it glow. We're gonna go to shadows, and then we're gonna go to glow. Add glow. All right, boom. So I like to make it glow with the white because it gives that glowy effect. So I'm going to make my color white. After I make my color white, I'm going to increase that size because I want it to be really glowy. And then we need the intensity to be, and y'all, I don't have no formula, okay? I just like what I like, so I do what I do. So we're gonna blur it out a little bit. Maybe the size is a little too much for me. And we're gonna increase the intensity. Okay. Period. So now that we got the glowy effect together, we're just going to match her up with her twin. So now our text. Our text is extremely important because this is really gonna draw them in. Because like right now you looking, it's like, okay, I see the pictures, but what is this about? This title is more important than the regular title. And I just want like a clear, nice cut, clean title, okay? Now we got Cabo San Lucas, okay? So now I want that big, because I want my audience to be like, okay, we know exactly what this is about, period. And now we're going to change the font. I'm thinking, I'm gonna want this in white, so let's just try it in white first. I kind of like that. Okay, we're gonna go with this one because that one is just given. So now what we want to do is effects, because you don't want your title to wash out with your background, and you know it's hard for your audience to see what's really going on here, because we don't need confusion. That's what we don't need. So we're gonna go to effects at the top, animate. And then once you go to effects, you are going to go to a shadow because, yeah. Okay, now with the shadow, I like to do like either a dark gray or a black. But I think black is going to be cute with this one. So we're going to, what's that? Okay, that's just like the direction of it. And I kind of like it to be right here, maybe. In this video, you've just learned how to make your things glow. You know how to put a little bit more oomph on your effects. I encourage you to play around in Canva. We just did this for free. Now, once you're done, you want to go to share. After you do share, it's going to say save image as. You want to save that image. And boom, it's downloading and your stuff is complete. Look at what we made. It's really cute, it's simple, it's down to the point. And this is what people who are making travel vlogs and are very successful in it, this is what their thumbnail is looking like. I did my research and I did my thumbnail based on that. You need to see what type of thumbnails goes with those type of videos you are making so you can compete in this market. Well, thank you kings and queens for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else you want to see on my channel. Until the next video, bye kings and queens.
To my body, so baby, I'm talking crazy. Need you running my space, need it, baby, I'm like